How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your electric scooter. So as you may have known, there's a lot of electric scooter models and brands out there. So there's a broad way in order for us to do this. But the first thing that I suggest is to first power off the scooter, remove the device, press the power button for around 10 to 15 seconds to completely drain out the circuit board. And then this will allow the scooter to reset. From there, just plug the battery back on and then turn it on normally. The other thing that you could do, if your scooter connects to an application like this one, you could just go ahead and connect it to the application, and from there head over to settings, factory reset, and that's another way to do it. And lastly, if you're using something like the advanced models out there where it supports the LCD display, you could just go ahead and look for the reset button on the actual LCD and you should be good to go. Now, I've experienced resetting a lot of scooter models out there where you have to press the brake lever, hold down the throttle, the cruise control, and the power button, but that's going to be way complex because once again, those only work for specific models. So in order to do that, just search for your specific model and then you should be good to go. You could try the previous steps that I've mentioned. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.